Hey guys, it's fall, aka spooky season. I'm really trying to make the most of my last fall semester as a Chico State student, so I am challenging myself to do as many fall things as possible. Today I'm going to try and live out my actual fall Pinterest board, so here's the inspiration that I'm going for. The vibe that we're going for is very fun, adventurous fall day. So I am taking you to a local pumpkin patch in Northern California that is just 1 hour from Chico State. Let me tell you, they have so many fun things to do. We have gone there almost every year and we keep going back. First up on the list is going to be Starbucks.
Getting our daily caffeine kick.
And the first challenge we're going to check off is to order some fall drinks. Let's go. Woo! Okay, so we got our drinks. I got the iced pumpkin chai with the pumpkin cold foam, and I always get mine with oat milk. I know that the cold foam has dairy, but I still like it with oat milk anyways. And top secret, I add a pump of brown sugar and it just makes it even better.
And for all you real non-dairy drinkers out there, I got the shaken apple oat milk espresso. Super good, got that fruity flavor. And now time for a taste test.
Let's try them out. Okay, so we're almost there and I just had a really good idea. I was thinking of ending the day with a fall pumpkin painting challenge and challenging my boyfriend to see who can paint the best Halloween themed pumpkin. He'll need a vote in the comments below, so stay tuned for that.
Turn left onto 4th Street.
Okay, so we finally made it. We're at Bishop's. Woo! Okay, so we are about to go hayride. You can see them taking off over there. We are the next people in line. Woo! Okay, guys, I'm crying from the wind. We made it to the pumpkin field and we're gonna challenge each other to see who can pick up a super giant pumpkin. We are on the hunt for this pumpkin, so let's go.
Pick that one up! Yeah! You can do it!
Oh, he did it! He picked up the big one! Ah! The pumpkin was conquered. Okay, we are challenging Danae to pick this one up. Let's see if she can do it. Come on, Danae, you got this. Let's go. You got this. You're so close! Guys, I am really crying from the wind right now. It is so bad. Or like a bell pepper or a habanero pepper. We have our pumpkins. This one. Oh. We made it to the sunflowers. Also, if you want to take a sunflower home, then you can pay 2 tickets and then you can bring it home with you. what you're doing. You can grow it. Like you can buy like a little pot, put seeds in it, and then it grows daisies. Going into her home. Welcome to my home. So this is the spacious foyer. And if you make it over here to our left, this is the dining room.
Nice, really nice.
And then this is the bay window right here.
Trying to go inside. There it goes.
Hello. So we are in line right now for the Wheeland Petting Zoo, which is one of our favorite parts of the pumpkin patch. We look forward to it every year.
Can't wait to see some pigs.
Oh, my Lanta!
Destroyed it. We found your pigs. Look, they're right here.
Lechon.
Ethan, he likes you. He's coming up to you. He's saying hello. He is so cute. He's scratching his head. It's finally time for our apple cider slushies, and I'm so excited. We are at the cider mill, and we are about to go hop in line. We found some golden caramel corn nuggets, and Ethan found these. He scouted them out, and they look so delicious. So we're gonna try them out. Okay, we got our slushies. I got the regular like apple cider slushie.
And then I got the slushy float, which has the cider and then the ice cream.
All right, let's try them out. Definitely worth it. Like
10 out of
11 out of 10. It's giving everything. We're also gonna try our golden caramel. What is it called? Golden caramel corn nuggets. Okay, we open them up. We're gonna taste test them right now. I think Ethan got a head start. I think he already tried one, but we'll try another one.
All right, cheers.
Cheers.
That's some good stuff.
That's really good.
Come to the cider mill.
They're kind of like caramel coated pirate booty. Definitely a 10 out of 10. So we're on our way to the corn maze, but I think it's a little bit too cold.
Yeah, this is not it.
It is like really freezing right now, so I think maybe we're gonna have to forfeit this challenge. So that is one challenge failed from today.
Next time.
Okay, it is so cold. See, look at that. But wait, where's the wind gust? 24 mile per hour wind, guys. This is a challenge failed right here. Here is the look at the corn maze, though. We did it last year. It was super fun, but we're gonna have to forfeit this one. We're gonna have to come back next year. Pick out our
pumpkin now for a pumpkin painting challenge later. So we're gonna try and find some really cute ones.
It's on.
We found our pumpkins and we are about to check out right now.
So we're heading back to Chico now, and the pumpkin patch was so much fun. We highly recommend that you go visit Bishop's Pumpkin Farm on your next fall outing. And now we're gonna focus on who will paint the scariest pumpkin. I think it's gonna be me.
In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Main Street.
Well, we're finally ready to paint some pumpkins.
We have our comfy clothes on, we have our supplies, and we are challenging each other to paint something spooky and scary.
So leave a comment below who you think painted the scarier pumpkin. I think it's gonna be me.